Well, my beloved, I got that toolbox. Right, here I go. The tools I keep in a drawer. So happens it's hard to find in a hurry. So I'm glad I got the box. Let us say I'll put this one, very essential I need. Y'all can go that one, not to make too crowded. All right, this one can go here. Nice, see? Done. Beautiful. Look at that. Now it will be easy for me to find a tool appropriately in a hurry. Beloved, see, get a toolbox. I got this one over the online. Somebody was selling, asking 65. I offer 50. Person agreed. Usually it goes like over $100. I got it in half a price. Good, perfect, beautiful. Done. There we go. Done, my beloved.